Hi, Peter here. Firstly, many congratulations for completing the course. Many people will have fallen by the wayside, but you've stuck with it and have seen it through. Felicidades. Congratulations. If your aim is to continue your progress with El Método, the next step is obviously level 2. Level 2 of the total of 4 levels. Before advancing, it's important to be sure that level 1 has been properly mastered and you're truly ready to continue. Therefore, please ask yourself these questions. Were you able to answer at least 90% of the questions correctly within the time given? And were you able to answer the majority of the time trial questions quickly and confidently? If not, I would urge you to go back over the course, as it's really crucial to fully master each level before progressing to the next. So very best of luck with your continued success with the Spanish language. Jessica and I look forward to guiding you on the next course very soon. Hasta luego y gracias.